already live. Yo, good morning, everybody. We are trading with the boys -1 this morning. Nimkins wasn't feeling well. Nimkins, if you're watching, I hope you feel better, brother. Say hello to Palmetto and DJP, everybody.
Hello.
Morning, everyone.
Just pulling up the stream right now. Good morning.
I'm tempted to take this short before open, but I won't do it.
Already? Oh, man.
No, I'm not going to do it.
I know. Unfortunately, I won't be showing Palmetto or DJP's charts today, so we'll just stick with mine. Oh, boys, the new PC will be here. Well, all the parts will be here by Monday, so we will be able to set everything up to show all charts and have everything be smooth on stream for us. So there will be some changes to the Trading with the Boys setup here very soon. How we feeling, Chad? Good morning, Albu. Good morning, Khaled. Morning, Jack. Morning, Martin. Looks like we're a little light on the viewers right now. Morning, Phil. So what are we thinking today, guys? We thinking pullback?
Great question.
I mean, 500 level is. Here's what I like. I like it could come back down and test that 470 level. I would like it then to go long if it can hold it, and then I think we're up 545. I think is my next target after that, and then there's one higher. But that's what I'm looking at short term.
Palm, you got anything to add to that?
I'm sorry. I'm just looking at higher time frame charts. I told you, I'm still half asleep. This rotation higher has been. We're getting further up than I thought. So like when you zoom out, I guess it kind of makes sense. We're just slowly flagging out below 650. I don't know. I think 600, like 20,600, that high at 602 and a quarter is kind of like last resort for any sort of rejections. If we trade that, we're absolutely going to 680. Or if we get above that, I should say.
100%.
But structure-wise, like I wouldn't be surprised to see us reject the 550s area and kind of trade back into the range below or looking at 400. I don't know. I don't trade higher time frames, so I don't. This is all mumbo jumbo to me.
That is not what I want to hear, Palm. I want nothing to do with this range anymore. I'm so sick of the 20,300 to 20,500 range. Tired of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, look at the last month. The entire month, except for a couple occasions where we got outside that range.
Yeah. I mean, since like October 10th, we've been pinned sideways.
If I wasn't looking at that 470 level as a support point, this 830 up move is, to me, classic manipulation up or open to go down. But we'll see.
Albu's saying turbo bid day.
Cool.
Honestly, what I'm watching today, guys, is the ES, actually. That 5870 level, Albu's pointed it out. I'm pretty sure Chris saw the same thing. I see the same thing. That 5870 on the ES is going to be my key watch on the day for both the NQ and the ES. If we hold above that level, I'm thinking continued upside. If we smack back down below that level, back down to the bottom of the range is what I'm seeing.
Aren't you like legally obligated to trade only YM?
Next week.
Is that what I heard?
Next week, Paul.
Next week.
Next week, yes. I did promise Goose I will only trade YM next week.
I see.
This puppy's
well,
down it.
Rest in peace, your piano. No, I'm kidding. I hope it goes well.
I've had a lot of people be like, well, we'll tune in, but we're just going to trash you all week long. And I was like, well, I'm kind of used to that at this point.
Yeah, I mean, let me know how you like it. I personally tried trading it in replay because Goose has been shilling it for a month. So I was like, all right, let me at least give it a shot. So that way, next time he says, like, next time he tells me, hey, you need to trade this, I can be like, listen, pal, I tried it. And I did not like it at all. I did like 2 weeks worth of replay and was like, this is terrible.
Yeah, it's slow. It's slower, but maybe when there's high volatility or like when we see the VIX up like it has been so often recently, maybe that's the time to flip over there and play it a little more safe.
Potentially,
We're
I could see that.
It is push
I could
already
definitely
on
see
me.
that.
Morning, Mason. Welcome.
Yeah, you didn't want to see this push on the open. Well, there
Yeah.
goes overnight high.
There's like a huge block of volume that went off immediately on the open at 91.
Yeah. There goes
I've
overnight
got a
high.
pretty good sized block on the NQ up here at 50,025. It just got taken, actually. It was 204 block.
I personally will be shocked if we don't retrade below 91. Like,
I would
shocked.
agree with that. I would agree.
Because it's just a massive ledge with this giant spike of volume that usually gets retraded.
I mean, this thing is running away from us.
Yep.
A little divergence at the high so far above the overnight high kind of makes me think short.
Yeah, I'm not going to be trying to short this into that much
Yeah, I'm not
strength.
touching it either.
No. Nope.
I'm just calling
Well,
it out.
Very rare moment.
Go ahead, Palm.
When I'm sitting on my hands.
Hit that sell button.
No, I'm good. That's another divergence.
Wow.
It's just too early. It's too
Yeah, it
early.
is.
Yeah, I agree.
Look at this.
You gotta let it kind of figure out what's gonna happen first before you take anything. At least I am.
Yeah, I'm not going to take any FOMO trades today. I did that kind of yesterday at the 350 level and got wrecked for doing it.
Yeah.
I was
You might
having a
wanna
conversation
like
with Chris last night on Level Up, and he was asking me what I thought my biggest weakness was, and it is that. It's the executing where you know you shouldn't be executing based on a gut feeling kind of deal.
Yeah, because your mind plays tricks on you.
Yeah, I'm still completely guilty of that.
Sure. Abu's right.
Yeah. What's up, Fletcher?
Look at this. See ya later. Okay, well, there was my first target if I ever would have, if it would have came down and tested. 470.
I mean, at this point, you got to wait for a pullback. You can't just... I can't just hop on up here. I'm not buying the
Hell
top.
No. I will say this, though. You might want to write this down because I am sitting on my hands for a whole 3 minutes.
What? Say what? No way. No way. I don't believe it. You're probably in a trade over there just acting all cool, calm, and collected. You've probably already taken 5 trades. 3 minutes on the open.
It's on
You
a
know what I'm
second
gonna
account.
Yeah.
The one he doesn't tell us about. Dave tells us he links prop accounts on stream when really he's got a second screen up and
Yeah.
it's his $300 million amp account.
Yeah, Abu, I saw your turbo bid words of wisdom today.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you said,
That was
Abu,
good.
above 5870, it is launching pad.
And it's above 5870.
Yep.
To the moon. All right.
So I'm trying to work on being very picky about my entries because I found that I was marketing into a lot of trades that the trade itself might have been okay, but because I was marketing in, I ended up getting really bad entries.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to be very patient about trading limits only.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a good
Just,
idea. I do that.
Sure.
I do the same thing, Paul. And then you kind of get
Limits
shaken
only.
out, even though it's the right trade. Kind of get shaken out.
Oh yeah, if you market it, yeah, because your entry is just it's like what Wes was saying with the gut feeling thing. It's yeah, your body's telling you, hey, or your mind is telling you, I should be here, but really, the rational, smart part of your brain is no, there's obviously a much better entry, wherever here. And it just comes down to being patient enough to take it.
Well, and there's nothing wrong with missing a trade. as well. That's the one
Yeah.
thing you have to tell yourself. You can't fall victim to the FOMO of, hey, I'm missing this move. There's all this money that I could have made. Let me just try to hop in to catch a piece now, when that's not the mindset you should be having. You should say, oh, well, I missed that opportunity. I missed that setup. On to the next.
On to the next.
Oh, yeah, those are the days that I wreck accounts.
100%. 100%. Because you get in a chop area, you know, an area where there's a lot of noise.
I mean, look at this. You could FOMO this thing like crazy. This move.
Yeah, that's
Dude, there was one day that it wasn't even a FOMO long. I woke up one day. I woke up late at like, I don't know, 11 or something. Probably out the night before. I didn't even open my laptop. I just opened my phone and saw that we were ripping, and I was like, all right, I'll just buy it. And then I ended up making like $1,000 on them. I think Savvy remembers. If Savvy's in here, I think he remembers that.
Yeah.
Well,
Mason, where is Nimkins today? We already said Nimkins isn't feeling well today. He woke up and said he thinks he has the flu or something. So hopefully he's feeling better. Nimkins, if you're watching, feel better.
Yeah, feel better, Nims.
Yeah, I feel better, man.
Hey, here's my second target at 575. That was my second TP if I'd profit. Wow.
Yeah, see that right there, Dave. That's what's gonna make you FOMO. Saying that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this. Yeah. I've stopped myself. I've tried to. I still say it sometimes. Like, oh, if I held on to this, I could have got more. I'm trying to stop saying that because, man, that gets you. That gets me. It doesn't get everybody, but it gets me.
No, it gets me too.
Palm, the hair is flowing today, Palm. I'm not gonna lie, it is full of life today.
Dude, it's like, I mean, I appreciate it, but it's like it's not fun when it's like this, because then it's like just my camera just went super blurry.
You're okay.
Patience.
Is that a patience rock? Is that what that is?
Yeah. Somebody gave this to me that literally knew me for a day and like, you need this. So,
Nice. Nice.
When I was working before I
Oh, Palm, they're lighting you up in the chat.
Oh.
Oh.
What's up, Joel? What's up, Brian? What's up, Goose? Yeah, it's like it's stuck in blow dryer like setting.
Like I said before the stream, it's like you went on a drive around the block and stuck your head out the window, and it's got the flow is real today, brother.
Yeah,
the flow is real. Brian, I agree. Bad hair days are the worst. I have them consistently.
Indeed.
As you can see, I have curly hair.
Yeah, well, that's a whole different beast. I mean, curly and straight hair have like different requirements. Honestly, I learned to not really care about it too much. Just let it go. If it's wild, it's wild. Flyaways are an everyday occurrence for me. Yeah.
Or I'm just going to put it out there. You can be pretty much bald like me, and you don't worry about it.
You should. I was going to say you should look at Alvin's comment. No hair days are a thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Welcome, Goose. Welcome, Joel. Welcome, Brian. Welcome, Sam.
No pressure, but Sam is watching.
Glad you guys tuned in.
I'm in danger.
Yeah. And don't tell Sam where your stop is, otherwise it's 100% gone.
Goose or Brian, we could have used you today. Nimkins is sick and bailed on me like an hour before the stream. We could have used you today. Guys, I'm just waiting. I'm gonna be sitting here. Honestly, I might wait till after Michigan Sentiment at 10 o'clock.
Up harsh.
Morning, Phoenix.
Tell ya. Front running IBH right now. Today might be set first.
They're telling Dave next payout is time to get a mic.
I know. God dang it. Well, I tried different things this morning and it was a failure. So.
Yeah, this is the better option compared to what we had.
100%.
It sounded like you were swimming earlier.
Yep, it definitely did.
You know what, Phil?
Wow.
You're right.
Goose calling it a day early. Shocker.
Wow.
Oh yeah, Goose. I mean, I agree. I've said historically Fridays are my worst trading day, and I'm not sure why. So if I can get a quick bag, I'm usually done.
Goes
enjoy the
20
weekend.
YM long, you won't.
Let's see what the YM's doing today.
Harsh, I have no clue. I have zero idea. I don't know if she's here.
Donna probably is either just waking up. She's West Coast. She lives in LA. Start crying.
Start crying.
Dave, you got awfully quiet. What's going on over there? I see the face. I see I see it.
I'm short. I got in late, but I'm short. Just gonna try to grab a quick 10, 20 points. Keep me out break even. That's okay.
You're short.
I was just gonna
Short.
snipe
I'm
it.
looking at a long.
I was just
I'm
gonna snipe it,
waiting.
see if I had some run.
I'm waiting
Damn,
for
I
the
was
pullback
like-
on NQ. I want to see 530 get tested again.
There's 3 ticks off my entry. That's awesome.
I
I'm
made all
seeing
of
interest below
$15.
530 a little bit. I want to see that get cleaned up.
Yeah, I have a limit sitting at 544 3/4. That's just like the prior swing low.
Goose
On
too
low
far from
volume
any yum zones on YM.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Wow. Okay. We're trying this one again.
I'm just glad I know what they
sellers
are
are trying.
now. I was so confused. I was like, what is a yum zone in a gang sign? You got to explain this to me. And then I was able to realize, oh, it's a wick and reclaim off of support or a wick and reclaim off of resistance. Okay, I got it. I got it. It was all making sense at that point.
Alright, that trade idea is gone.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Oh, Phoenix
I
is loading
still
up
really
with the
think
meme
we take
arsenal.
out this. Dude, this order, this block at the low at 91 is like screaming to me. I'd be so shocked if we don't take that out at some point. Sorry, block isn't the right word. A large amount of volume that went off at 91.
I was about to say, I don't see a block at 90.
Yeah, not liquidity. Like it already happened.
Yeah, I'm
Wow.
seeing this block here
It's
at
like block.
just above 520. I'm not sure what the exact number is, but I'd like to see this get cleaned up a little bit. But with news in 17 minutes,
Yeah, it's
I'll
gonna be a
probably be
problem.
waiting.
Yep.
Damn, Dave flexing the watch.
I know he's always flexing the watch.
No, keep
He's
it on.
always-
It looks good.
He's always got that bling. Dang,
Have to have the bling.
my heat map just.
It was
failed.
just
I'm gonna
the angle that the light was hitting the face. I couldn't even see the face. It just looked completely lit up. It really stood out.
chat.
It
I'm
looks
gonna
good,
log
though. I
out of
like
my
it.
charts real quick.
Yeah, thanks. It was a 25th wedding anniversary present back when it was 25 years.
Nice.
Going on, what are we now? Let's see. 33 years. 33 years.
Wow. Congrats.
I had that in September. Thanks.
Yeah, seriously, congrats.
That's older than me.
Palmetto is such a cutie. Oh boy, here we go. Palm, it looks like you're gonna get it. You're gonna get
Yeah.
it today.
Yeah, that happens.
Oh yeah, I mean, pretty sure we're all used to it at this point.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Wes. Oh, I see. You got
What?
it. Oh, I saw
Yeah,
your
I had-
screen say data loading. I was like, uh-oh.
Yeah, my heat map went out, so I had to log out and log back in.
Well, this is relentless for a nice opening candle. First 15 minutes,
Yeah, pretty aggressive.
I would say. Look at that 15-minute candle. Beautiful. What's the 4-hour looking for? Boy, this is hitting some liquidity zones on the 4-hour. I mean, only got about 600.
Jeez. Quant Tower's being funky this morning.
Why? What's up?
It's just creating gaps in candles that aren't really there. The DOM's going out.
Oh, dude, I hate that. I had that when I first loaded up, like when I first set up my AMP account and set it up with CQG. There is this, I think I showed you, there is this like 3 days worth of data gap that I couldn't figure out how to get rid of. And then it just disappeared one day.
Yeah, it's wild how it does that, though. Then again, it could just be my terrible PC that I'm operating on right now with everything open. But that'll all be fixed next week, boys. That will all be fixed
wait, when
next
did you
week.
say you're getting that again?
The last of the parts shows up on Monday, so I'm going to try to get it built Monday evening and hopefully have it ready to go by Tuesday.
Sweet.
Not looking forward to transferring everything over, like having to set up OBS on a new PC again and all that, and moving all the files over. Okay, here's 600.
Yep.
I mean,
This
is this going to be Runaway Friday to all-time highs?
Maybe.
Like, what's going on here?
It's a Friday. It's a Friday.
Ethan, PC build stream? No, it's my first PC build. I don't need it to be filmed. I don't want to mess it up. Spent too much money on all the parts. Martin's asking, Dave, is that a Rolex GMT?
It is. We'll wear my Apple Watch from now on.
No, it looks good, dude.
Guys, I got to go check on something. I just heard a bang downstairs, so I'll be right back.
I'll check
the
Discord. Okay.
It's the hostage he has down there.
Oh my god. What am I looking for, Harsh? Oh, I think I found it. Bro. Thanks.
This is relentless. Wow.
Yeah.
It's awesome. I mean, it's totally, and no news to speak of.
Yeah, just price movement. I wonder when/where we'll get the pullback. The 600 was a pretty big level. Like that's a
huge.
big point of interest to take out. So I would kind of like to see some rejection above 600 back below for at least like an attempt to trade lower, but I mean, we're still kind of just pushing up.
Solid. That is hilarious. I think it is Nipkins down there making noise. Yeah, so this the liquidity grab and come back down, or is this
I don't know.
trend day?
I don't know.
Fridays.
I think
Fridays aren't trend days usually, are they?
I have no clue. I have an order at 604 limit long.
Haven't tapped it yet.
Be interested if that gets filled.
But how tight is your stop? I mean, how much room are you going to give it?
5.5 points is what I've been working
I like
with.
that.
It is very tight. What I've been working on trying to get better at, though, that I've liked personally is, like I told you, the limit orders, but specifically just Wiccan reclaims of prior levels whenever Delta's holding up and I have some sort of level of interest there, which all of that is kind of ticked as of right now. So like the 600 level of interest, that prior high, Delta looks decent. I mean, we are selling, all right, and filled.
Well, we're selling into that 10-minute 10 of algo. Let's see what happens here. I like the thought. Oh, did it just miss you?
No, I got filled. I got filled on one, break even on the second, and then
beautiful.
Or sorry, not break even. Sorry, target one hit. Second contract is break even, going for target.
Gosh, what a great
Palm
trade!
You in a trade?
I
Why
am.
did you take 604? What was the 604
That was
reason?
on my range chart. That was like the prior local low after the initial break of that 600 level.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, we set that local low, and then we just retraded it, and that's why I decided to get long. Was all of that holding up?
Well, Palm, if you look at the hour chart, that was a spike at 603 there from, I don't know, a couple of days ago. So it was a perfect set. It just came down and retested that. That was awesome.
Yeah, Dave, I'm
Damn,
sorry
that
to
was
break
good.
it to you. I don't have an hour chart up.
Well,
I
it
have
was
it
beautiful.
on the stream right now.
Oh,
It was
okay.
beautiful, and it
If you
came
wanna
down and
see
ticked
it.
it. Yeah, look at that.
Just look at the stream.
Well, that's
It
why I
was
started taking it, and that's why the stop
beautiful.
is so tight. Is because that's exactly the kind of trade I'm looking for with that approach. Is like running a prior high or low by like a tick or two, no more than a point, and then coming back in.
That was
I'm
beautiful.
not like I'm not looking to give it like 10, 15, 20 points of wiggle room. It either sweeps it and then immediately reclaims like this did, or it fails and I move on.
How did you get out? Are you out? Or
No,
are you
I'm
still
still holding one. The second target is 26, so we'd have to push new highs right now.
in? Nice.
I'm hands off. We got news in 9 minutes, so.
Yeah. Yeah, if this
I'm
is
hands
still
off.
going.
Oh, Lambra,
I'm
you
not
made
gonna
it.
hold this through news.
What's up, Lambra?
The goat. Wes, I need you to know one thing about Lambra.
Yeah.
He's got to get him one of those.
Got to get him a Lambo.
No, just one of those. Just anything you got, he's just got to get one of those.
Oh, he's got to get one? Okay.
I'm referencing his GIF. Have you ever seen the GIF he sends?
He says
anything, exactly.
Yeah, there you go. Okay. All right, he's got to get one of everything. Anything that's cool.
Especially Discord server rules.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah.
All right, the buyers are trying. I'd like to see this
They're
push.
trying. Look at here it comes. Come on,
I mean,
don't
like
do
you
it,
said, the
don't
move
do
that
it
makes
dirty.
sense at this point is 680.
All right, I took that off manually.
I like it.
Did we trade 26? No, we missed it by a tick. So
I missed it by a
I think
tick.
that's
That was good.
yeah. So I'm out at 21.
That was awesome.
So all out. All right, you got to do that like 8 more times.
Oh, you might get it now. It doesn't matter. You missed it. Your target was off by just a tick. That's beautiful.
Yeah, literally one tick.
So good.
It happens. All right.
All you missed was a tick. It doesn't matter. That was so good. Brilliant. Love the trade.
Wait, what is this?
Ferraro.
Chase, no, I'm sitting on my
Whoa.
hands, brother. Not making any money just yet. I was telling the boys before, or at least Dave, I can't remember if Palm was with us yet, but my brain, for some reason, isn't waking up exactly this morning. My body's been up for 2 hours, but the brain is not there just yet. We'll try to get there. I also have a flooring crew in my home currently, so if you see me disappear for periods of time, it's making sure they're not damaging anything else than they've already damaged.
Oh wow. Not to like, well, not putting anybody on blast. That's not the right word. I'm still waking up too. My bad. Goose just shared a like a really good breakdown of market profile from Trading Riot in the Discord. This is like a good look. I knew Trading Riot had like a breakdown of market profile, but I've never seen this page. I always saw just like the introductory page, and then I had to go find out the rest myself. This is sick.
I'm going to have to save this. Really nice.
Yeah, I can't navigate away from my Discord, so I'll have to check it out later. If I navigate away from my Discord, your guys' cameras go away.
Gotcha. Yeah, this is a really like in-depth overview, which is good.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Thanks for sharing it, Goose.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, Albu was right. Albu said turbo bid.
Yep. Albu was right.
One day I wait for it to come back to what to my process, and it takes off.
Palm Umpulu is asking where you're seeing that at. Gooses.
In main chat, he just sent it. It's so that like picture of the white like table of contents. It's that link above it where it says, "Here's your weekend homework."
In his
Who leaked
Discord?
whatever news.
No, in yours.
In
Oh,
Level
yeah,
Up?
Level Up.
Okay.
Level up. Yeah, thank you, Albu.
Yeah, you guys,
One
if
day I
you aren't
stick
a
to my
member of the
process.
Level Up Discord, there is a link a free invite link in the description below the video. Feel free to join. It's a nice community. Great traders over there. Lots of knowledgeable traders over there.
My
It's a good
Paul
time.
just demonstrated it.
I was thinking about that. I was like, what if I just grab like a sick entry that's going to run 50 points? Here we are.
It looks
Here
like
it
you
is.
had it.
I did. Oh well.
Is anybody else in the trade, or are they just watching this run away like we are in the chat?
Dude, this is hard to get into. Like,
I can't.
I'm relaxing. We got news here in a couple minutes. I'm not even worried
yeah,
about
that
being
too.
in a position right now. Yeah, guys,
Is
if you
anybody
guys
in the
want to
chat?
join Goose's Discord as well, I'm pretty sure his is a free Discord too if you aren't a member there. Really good traders over there as well. His Discord's aged nicely like a fine wine. He also
Long
has
6
content on
minutes.
YouTube as well. If you haven't subscribed to his content, definitely
Long
do.
6 minutes.
Sorry, I had to plug.
Oh, it's a good plug. I mean, I belonged to that for a little while, just lurking. For a while, actually.
Yeah, there's some good traders over there. Really good traders over
Yeah.
there.
Some excellent traders over there.
I mean,
Like
lurking,
famous
that's-
YM trader Donna, who has me blocked.
You are so salty about this.
Whoa.
I just want to know why, bro.
Palms
Whoa.
in his feelings about being blocked by Donna.
Oh my gosh. So
I
awesome.
just want to know
man.
why. If she wants to keep me blocked forever, that's cool. But like, I'd like to know the reason.
We may never know, Paul.
Oh yeah, we got the Quant Tower guy in chat. Forgot Quant Tower support over here.
I like Quant Tower. I think Quant Tower is easy to use. It's very user friendly. For those of you that
I was thinking about that.
go ahead.
Sorry,
There's
go
Donna.
ahead.
There's
No,
Donna.
you go ahead, Paul.
Hey, Donna. Donna, I have a question for you. What did I do to get blocked? Why do you have me blocked?
Donna shows up in the chat. And Donna,
you like chili.
Palmetto's been crying for about 24 hours since you blocked.
whoa. Crying's a strong word. I would
you
just,
like-
I don't care. Donna, if you want to keep me blocked, that's totally cool. I just would like to know
No.
why. I blocked everyone who replies in memes.
Yeah,
Okay,
Donna
well,
hates the cartoons.
There
she
you
calls
go.
them. She
There you
hates
go.
Keep
the
me blocked
cartoons.
then. You should keep me blocked then.
I thought it was your affinity for chilies.
Donna doesn't like
He
chilies.
thought it was his affinity for chilies. That's why.
She's on
that was
Team
the reason.
Applebee's. TGI Fridays or something.
Unbelievable. Chili's is goated. There's the Chili's that we go to for like the Thursday beers thing. There's this server there, this waiter named Gavin. He's the boy. He's so cool. First time we went, we were just like talking it up with him, and then at the end of when we were leaving, he comes out. He's like, "Hey man, here's like some leftover chips and salsa that like it's just like this giant bag. I'm talking like shopping bag of chips and salsa." He's like, "Here you go. Have a good night." Like, all right, thanks, Gav.
All right.
Well, I mean, they probably just throw it out, you know, at the end of the night, I would imagine.
That's what I'm. Yeah, that's why he gave it to us. He's like, "We're not going to use this, so it's all yours."
I will say Chili's does have some of the better chips and salsa as far as like chain restaurants are concerned. I will say that.
Yeah, they're not bad. They're not bad.
What news does here? Does it give an? Wow, look at that.
Yeah, it's news.
Hello. Hello.
Nothing crazy yet.
Yeah, this is straight up, guys.
It is. I'm gonna be so. I mean, it's looking less and less likely. I'm shocked that we're leaving this gigantic ledge behind at 491.
I don't think that lasts all day.
It's long gone now, Palm. That's a
know.
ways back.
That's crazy to me.
Phoenix says he wasn't blocked, Palm. That's all he's gonna say.
Listen, man. I don't care. I found out the reason. That's fine with me.
Oh man.
I don't know. I'm thinking about massive shorts here. Kidding.
No, Donna's great.
Over there.
I love
yeah.
Donna.
There's the recipe right there, banana bread. Ooh, I should have
Nice.
some of that. My wife made some over the weekend.
I know Phoenix. Phoenix cracks me
Yeah.
up.
Number one instigator.
He is an instigator. Him and Nimkins, those two, I swear.
Oh, Turbo Bit is back. Albu called it. Turbo Bit.
Yeah, Albu did call it.
Called it.
Absolutely called it. All right, we're going up for this high at 680 too. That's pretty wild.
I mean, this is
That's
Wow.
a rowdy spike. We
I
are.
mean, all-time highs on ES today. It looking potentially. If Chris is here, Chris, if you're watching, I know I haven't seen you in the chat at all, but thanks for tuning in. Second of all, great trade if you're still holding those three
Oh my
minis
God.
long from below 58 set, or I forget where he was long from.
What a dog.
58.60s.
Dude, this is a wild profile.
I know it. I'm gonna. I mean, what's my? This is
That's crazy.
crazy.
That
Wait, hold
Oh,
on. The
okay.
Nightbot's putting banana bread recipes in my chat right now. What's going on here?
Yeah.
We just hit.
I'm telling you, man, that's how it starts. First you gave him the roll, now
No,
he's posting banana bread recipes.
Yeah, he's got banana bread recipes in the chat.
700.
Looks like it's the work of Mason.
Mason sold you out.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mason did. Wow, this daily chart is crazy. 693. I mean, all-time highs. They're a little ways away on the NQ.
Yeah, what's all time high in MQ right now? Like adjusted? Is it like 22?
Oh,
Adjusted
it's
21,220.
Yeah, it's up there.
Gotcha.
21,220. It's up there ways, but not that far away.
I just,
I mean-
I let other people tell me when we're at all-time highs because I'm not bothered enough to pull up a daily chart and scroll all the way back.
I mean, ES is looking very primed for an all-time high push right now.
Yeah. I tell you, Chris is goated on this trade. This is amazing. Oh, it is
Like,
prime for it.
I've said it before.
Okay,
I'll say it
alright.
again. He's the best trader that I've been around. He's the best.
Well, Palma, I'm going to tell you, I'm ready for IBL. I'm going to front run that from the top here.
From the top, from the top rope.
I'm coming from the top rope. I'm going to Ric Flair this thing.
As soon as 10:30 hits, just start spamming short. Click that red button as much as you can. Oh, wait, what
Goose
I meant
isn't
to
like
say-
a virus, Joel. Goose is welcome here anytime. It was a long time coming for me and Goose to link up. I'm surprised we hadn't up to this point, to tell you the truth.
Are you familiar with Joel, Wes?
No.
Let me tell you. Joel's
Okay.
the man.
Joel's the man? Okay.
As far as human specimens go, Joel is a specimen.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. If you ever need crypto advice, he's your guy.
Oh, okay. He's a crypto guy? Okay.
He's a big fan of meme coins.
Oh, yeah?
Actually, Joel, do you still have like a whole meme coin portfolio? I don't know. I'm still catching up with Joel too because he decided to leave us for like 3 months.
That happens.
So I missed a lot.
It happens.
does.
It's kind of like right now while Dave's in a trade, and you can tell by the look on his face that things are.
Not yet, but I'm getting ready.
Oh, we reaccepted below 680, that prior high level, and just retested it and are still below it. So and we're seeing some sellers show up finally.
I'm short now. I wanted in at 75, but I got in at 70. So
yeah, this is the first real selling since like 550.
I really wanted in earlier.
No, I like it.
Break even right away.
Big scammer, actually. Don't trust that guy.
There we go. There we go. That's what I'm looking for.
I like it back into 600, Dave.
Yeah, Donna, we're cool. I just wanted to know why, that's all.
No, Donna, he was he's been up in arms about it.
Definitely not.
Definitely not, he says.
Hey, don't retrace on me. I'm break even, but
are you long or short?
Short. I mean,
From
I don't want to abandon this from 70.
Oh, there you go. I like that.
I'm gonna hang into this for a little bit. I'm break even, so it doesn't matter.
Sweet.
Not sure how far down.
What are you targeting? 491?
Yeah, I'm front running IDL. Oh, don't you come back and break me even. It's going to.
Martin says 666 pays again.
Break me even.
Palm, she says it's settled.
Yes, I agree.
Now, where do you think we go down to? 600? I don't think so.
I mean, I like a pullback at some point. I don't want to see this thing just moonshot all day.
Yeah, I'd like to see us go repair some of the low volume areas on the profile. It's a disgusting looking profile right now.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Who in the chat thinks I should have just taken my 10 points and run? Yeah, took me out break even.
I mean, that is what you preach, right?
It is, and I didn't follow it, but it took me out break even.
Jeez.
Dave, do you set your targets and stops manually, or do you use a bracket?
I start off with a bracket, and then I move them.
Cool. Just curious.
Yeah,
I know some people will go in like no bracket, and then they'll set like manual stops and take profits.
No, Ethan, don't say that. Ethan, we're not dumping back to open. We want nothing to do with that range again. Stay out of that range.
Like, it's that block of volume at the open is just so crazy to me. And at first I thought it was like, okay, maybe when I look at the overnight profile, it'll make sense and that'll be like POC on the profile or something, which it is, but not in like a normal auction way. Like, it's just an aggressive dump of volume that we launched out of.
So
I don't get it.
Are you like I noticed when I watch a lot of like TBM, he waits for point of control flips when he's seeing top start to put in, like POC flip to the top side. Right now, yes, it's down there at 490. Are you waiting to see if you get a flip like that? Like, do you take that into consideration?
Yeah, I don't track point of control the way he does. Like, I don't actually have it marked on my chart. I just have a profile up and I'm just looking at high versus low volume.
Okay.
But I definitely do look at whether we're putting in volume. I don't care as much whether it's point of control itself or whether it's just, I care more if it's a lot of volume versus not a lot of volume. Like, that's what I'm interested in. So if we were to like go retrade 690 and start putting in a lot of volume at 690 and seeing some attempts on Delta to get above that weren't going anywhere, like that to me says, okay, this is an interesting short because we're clearly absorbing up here. And buyers are running out of the jet fuel they need to push us higher. And then on the inverse as well, like the way he looks at it of if we put in, or if we make a move, we put in a lot of volume, say point of control flips up there, whatever, put in a lot of volume and then push out of that. I also look at that as well. Like, I just don't care whether it's point of control or not. I just care about the volume that happened. But that to me is also very interesting because that tends to lead to days like this where you get a monster trend.
Yeah. I mean, I was going counter trend there, obviously.
Yeah.
And I went in again and it took me out break even. I was just going to see if we could get some length out of it. It was counter trend. This could be.
You went in again off of 70?
Yeah. And it took me out break even again. I mean, I had chances to get 10 points, but that big of a run up, I thought we'd get a little more of a pullback.
Where is Nimkins when you need him? Where is Nimkins when you need him? I can hear him now.
Oh my God, yes. He'd be, oh my, yeah.
Oh, I have my golden level at 340. We're going to go visit 340.
Yeah.
It's always a 50. It's always like 350,
50,
450. I don't know why, but he loves those 50s levels.
Yeah, big fan of the 50 strike.
I'm seeing a block at right at 700.
Oh, interesting.
Not sure size. I mean, this is a wild uppies.
Yeah. It's also like, keep it in perspective. It's only, we're 40 minutes in to market open. Like, there's plenty of time to throw size around, throw some trades on. Doesn't have to be right now. Oh, that's funny. Dude, I saw a pest control truck the other day, and I was so tempted to grab a photo and send it.
Yeah.
So tempted.
Yeah.
I was like a second too far into hesitation, and then it was gone. I was like, damn, that was.
It's
good.
just mind-boggling to me that they don't have like subscription pest control in the UK.
UK, man. Joel, what do you think of pest control? Is that like a crazy concept to you? Joel's from England, for reference.
Is he okay?
Yeah. See what he says.
Okay.
But yeah,
shorts
I
are
don't
starting
get it
to look
either.
interesting to me.
Oh yeah. Now you want to jump on the bandwagon.
I don't know why I'd ever need pest control. All right, maybe it's just not a thing in England. I don't know.
Well, I mean,
Short
it is an
78,
island.
yeah.
They might not have the bug infestations
bugs.
that we have over here.
Yeah, that's fair. That is fair. I can see
I'm
that.
short
All right,
70 again.
there's the cell.
I know. I should have hopped on it when I was said it.
I might just bag out here. No, I'm going to stick in. Although this is a tricky spot.
Nice, nice snag, DJ. Off of. Oh
All
yeah,
right, I'm
we
out.
rotated off of the 80. Oh,
Yeah, I took my
DJ short from 81. Nice.
yeah, and I'm out already. I'm
Sweet.
gonna follow my advice and get out when I can. So I got what I needed.
Very nice.
That was 25 points.
Uh-oh, my charts are froze. You guys are froze.
Hello.
Yeah, I hear you,
Hello?
Palm.
Okay. Maybe
DJ,
it's OBS or.
81.
Yeah, everything just
Hey.
kind of crashed on me. I think we're back.
Oh,
Mason said, "Uh-oh."
I think we're back.
The stream itself is like lagging, but it looks like it's back up now.
Yeah, I think so.
Are we all
We're
good?
good.
Mason's saying we're all good.
Yeah.
Yeah, my entire everything just went down for a second.
oh, I'm so happy I got out when I did. Let's go.
Oh, I cannot wait to get the new PC here. I'm telling you.
I feel you. I feel.
All right, now I'm not so happy.
Actually, Palm, are you getting a new one?
At some point, I don't know when.
Oh, okay, okay.
At some point in the future, yeah, I'd love one.
It couldn't handle the
Look at
brilliance
that.
of your short, Dave. Is that what did it? It was you taking the short? That's what crashed
It's
the
what
system?
did it.
The entire
It
system?
did. It couldn't comprehend it. As Chase said, it was a bold strategy, Cotton.
I don't know. It's kind of strange that we left that block up there at 700 and we can go grab it, though. It's kind of
kind of strange we left that giant ledge of 491.
Yeah, that's gonna bother you all day, isn't it?
All day.
It's not gonna
all
bother
day.
me. It's just it's crazy to me that we left that.
Uh-oh, I'm getting a
Oh,
error
we'll see.
on my
Oh man,
on YouTube Studio. I think we're fine.
What's going on?
Everything's
the stream looks fine.
Yeah, stream.
Like from the looking at it.
like our mouths are synced up with our audio and everything.
Yeah, I think so.
Martin, I
yeah,
went with
that's
a
a
Ryzen.
question.
I went with a
Sorry, go
Ryzen
ahead.
9. I think it's a Ryzen 9 7900X. I want to say 12 cores, 24 threads.
We're going to consolidate here just to go up again. We'll have some manipulation down, Wes. Manipulation. Keyword.
Here we go.
Keyword.
Here we go.
It only works when you call it manipulation.
That's it. No other. Yes, exactly. Bill, add a baby. Let's see what it does here.
I expect some consolidation here. That's a really big upside move.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That
And by the way, I'm back to minis. I love micros, but I'm gonna do. That shot I should have done micros and just put like 10 or 20 on, and you can scale out. But that was a mini I did.
I mean, you're trading 10 to 20 micros anyway when you're trading, so.
Just do a mini. I know I am. So just do a minis. I know. I hear you. I was just happy that that short gave me the second bite of the apple there. I know it's going to be.
Yeah.
I like the short side here, but
Mm,
that 700 block
Where,
up at
though?
or the 700 block up there is kind of keeping me out of this. Phoenix, everybody's still up for poker night. Yeah, we can have a poker night eventually. There's just
I'm game.
we have to find, because Discord poker night decides to just crap the bed
See you later,
from
Phil.
time to time, like it just goes out. And that would be terrible in a cash game or a money game where money's on the line.
Will not be good.
No. So we might have to find a different app or different software to play on.
I'm sure something
Sure.
exists.
Yeah, oh,
How far down?
100%.
So the question is, how far down do we go here?
I like the I mean, as of right now, the low volume area, there's like zero volume almost, like the 630s kind of ish, like just
Yeah.
below 640s where this low is right now. I think
Yeah.
filling a little bit into there could make sense. I personally am not going to take anything down here until I see some buyers show up at the low of this range that we're forming at like around 40.
Yeah.
But I think if you are looking for like low of the range buys, it's very possible that it'll be right here.
You know, it took a lot of liquidity when it came up to 690. You know, 695ish, I guess. There was on the 4 hour. There's a ton of liquidity that it just probably popped out.
Mhm.
YM doing? YM's doing the same thing. They're kind of all in sync right now. I mean, YM's getting a little. Well, no, they're pretty much in sync. What's the VIX doing?
Is Wes still here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, okay. Just check.
Probably had to-
I'm here. I'm letting
on
Dave go on
nipples.
his ICT lingo spiel.
Yeah, Dave, let's hear your finest lingo.
Oh, there's Goose. Shows up when he heard Dave say YM.
I heard someone say YM exactly.
He's been summoned.
Actually, I'm being summoned right now. I'll be right back. Go ahead, Dave. Go on your ICT spiel while I'm gone,
My
okay?
And Nimpkins is still making noise in the basement. Take care of that, will you?
So funny. Oh, why won't my camera focus? What's going on here? There we go. Oh, I think it's. Oh, I see. Because the light is hitting my dresser, my camera's focusing on my dresser instead of me. I don't think there's anything. I need like blackout shades or something. There's nothing I can do about that. Just the time of the day. Like the sun is directly pointed at that window.
Yep.
All right, so Lingo.
Oh,
What do we got?
Well, I mean, it dipped down into that fair value gap.
Yeah,
So,
excellent.
you know, you like so that was created both on the 5 and the 10 minute because you know it's fractal. Time is fractal.
I see.
You know. So now I'm looking
There's
for
liquidity sweep in there somewhere.
There's a liquidity. Well, it did take the liquidity sweep, so it's coming down to the fair value gap. So it took external liquidity, then it got rejected at internal liquidity.
Excellent.
So now we've got an order block it has to run. So, and then
Nice.
that'll change, and that'll turn into a change of state of delivery if it stays above that order block.
Incredible. So what I'm hearing is we're going back to 491.
That's what you're hearing. I have no idea.
Yeah, I doubt it. If we're this extended. VWAP is at 550.
Yeah, I've talked to Wes about this. All he did was repackage support and resistance, although he'll say, "Oh, it's not what that is." Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I agree.
It's all that.
To be fair, a lot of things in the markets are kind of like that in the sense of like we're all looking at the same things: price and volume.
That's it.
Like price, volume, and transactions. Like there's just so many ways to look at it. Everyone's got their own way.
Ethan's right. 3K overnight. But those 3K will come in here and tell us how we're doing it wrong.
Yeah. Exactly. ICT. All right, we just pushed new
There it
highs.
is. Yeah, this
Wes
is
was
going-
saying something about liquidity at 700.
Yeah, it's there. And Albu was right. Just, in other words, just buy. He's right. I can't believe Albu is on the buy train.
Oh, is he usually like a perma bear?
Oh yeah.
Interesting. Oh man, I was so that 40s area
Ollie.
that I was talking about.
Yeah. Well, down there, right? Exactly. I mean, that was a good point to get in.
Yeah,
What do
like
you
I
think?
was looking. If I was going to take that long, I was looking specifically at 44 quarter to take, which actually would have held nicely,
That have played, yeah, and only
like
2
3
points
points of
drawdown.
risk. Yeah, that would have been awesome. I just didn't see like. I'm still kind of figuring out how I read this. We had a ton of sell delta come in, but I didn't like taking it because delta made a new low, price made a new low because we swept that low. So to me, I don't want to step in front of that. If delta had
did he
failed
really
to
go on
make
an
a new low-
ICT rant? I'm looking at the chat right
No.
now.
I asked him for his favorite lingo phrases.
Oh, all right. All right. I'm just seeing people saying, so we put ICT strategy trader into the stream title, then Wes will have 3K viewers.
Yeah.
He's not wrong.
Viewership's actually pretty good today. It's pretty good. We got 31 in here currently is what I'm seeing, but I'm also getting an error message on my YouTube studio. So it could be more, it could be less.
I've got 29,
Exciting.
so yeah. Not as big as when Goose was on, but that's a hard act to follow. I'm gonna admit.
No, Goose was great.
That's very true.
It was great. It
That's
was
a
great
very
having
hard
him
act
on.
to follow.
Dude's a star.
I mean, I get that Paul and I are on here for entertainment, not the knowledge that we bring. Goose brings knowledge. So, with that.
No, Goose is
I'm so good
entertainment
with
as
that.
well. Goose is
Oh
entertainment.
yeah,
as
100%. I'm not saying he isn't, but we're not going to compete in the knowledge part. Well, Palm will. Palm does a lot of work on this.
Well, Goose has been doing
Debatable.
it a lot longer than
Debatable.
any of us have. You know.
Yeah. I say
the
Goose
thing.
takes the title on that one.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, he's definitely more knowledgeable. than any of us. And he's
like that.
surrounded himself with the right people, you know. Like that's key that's key in this game.
Yep. Agreed. 5 more
Yeah,
minutes and I beat sets.
I'm not taking those trades anymore until the data tells me that they're worth taking, which they aren't right now for me at least. I'm not taking them. Hate to break it to you.
420 credit score. I don't
Okay,
believe
that
that
was
for a
good.
minute. I don't believe that for a minute.
That's so good.
And one goose. Goose, how about that little information that we found out yesterday, that females are referred to as geese and a male goose is referred to as gander.
Gander, yeah,
What?
absolutely.
So
doesn't know
goose is
that?
actually a female, and
One Afghani 11.
Who doesn't know that?
I didn't know that.
Gander.
I didn't know
Gander.
that at all. Nimkin's got me all like worried about things, worried about my life in general. When I found that out, I was like, well, where have I been learning things from?
Well, I got to tell you guys, I'm happy with my 25 points the way this is going, missing out on the move. I'm really happy with that. You had a good one. I mean, you're up, Palm. You're up, what, 20 points?
I
or so?
am.
Yeah,
But
Goose,
not
I had no
enough.
idea. I had no idea about that. Zero
I'm
clue.
up 25 points.
Nice. There you go.
But it's not enough, Dave. I need more.
See, and this is when I blow accounts.
Casper male goose equals Gander Mountain.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I had no idea.
Sellers are trying below 80.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
It's just so hard to shorten all that strength. It's so hard for me to pull that trigger. I like downside, but
Yeah, it's got to break structure first, and it's not doing that.
Oh, so this is an interesting one for me. We just swept this like micro low at 72 quarter. We swept it by a tick. So like that's, as of right now, exactly the kind of entry I'd like. I'll be very curious to see if that rotates higher off of it, which it looks like it is.
we revisit 490 or
Joel.
Palmetto owes you $20, Joel. Okay.
I'll get in on that action.
Funny you think I have $20.
Ollie, are you in a lecture right now? Like, what are we talking about here? Meaning and measurement of risk and return.
I forget that Ollie's in school.
Is
Alright,
he
so
watching the
pay.
stream from a lecture? Is that what's going on?
Probably.
Well, that'd have paid, huh?
It would
I
have.
know it's running out of little
wa-
juice right now.
It was a little sketchy to take. Yeah, it was sketchy.
Palm Joel says he's repossessing you in the dresser.
Oh yeah, dude, I just got it. I need it. I need space for my things. You see how I have everything? I don't know if you can see it. Oh, you can in the camera. I have everything lined up. I have my hats, my 2 colognes that I've been rocking with lately. I have a geode that I found when I was hiking. I have a speaker. I have 2 candles and a salt lamp.
Loving life, man.
I'll give you the
Space
salt
for your
lamp because
activities.
Phoenix, what
I
did
need
you
a
do?
new-
You're telling me to check Discord. What did you do?
it's definitely just screenshots of all of our faces. All right, so that idea would have paid.
He put a meme. Dave starts talking ICT, and then he shows a picture of me there, and then gone.
That's so good.
Nim's golden
That's a-
level. That one's funny. Oh, it's a GIF. Nice.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Awesome. It's true. It's right.
Now I'm seeing Chris's position. Up
Yeah,
up seven grand.
Oh, so that was 30 minutes ago.
Jeez,
8.2.
IB,
it's wild.
holy moly.
Yeah, that's a banger.
That is total.
Yeah, he does it consistently though.
Oh, yeah, man.
It's wild. Best I've seen.
Awesome. Love seeing that.
I mean, when you're consistently having 20K weeks, 15 to 20K weeks, like, are you kidding me?
Exactly.
No wonder why
There's
he only
ID, my
trades
friend.
he only trades 6 months out of the year. Takes the other 6 months off. It's wild.
Is that our manipulation down? Is to go up now? No. I can tell you, I'm not front running IB today. I probably should. We're going nothing
No,
but up.
I was about to say.
Probably
What
should.
do you mean? This is shaping up to
Yeah,
be
I'm in
one of
too late
those
now.
500, 600 point up days.
Joel, I'm
Seriously.
sorry you took the YM break. Maybe you'll know for next time not to cheat on NQ.
Nothing to do right here.
Albu, you said you were going to. You said turbo bid above 5870. Did you take it? Is the question. Albu hates taking longs. He hates it.
I think it makes his head hurt.
Yeah, he hates it.
Sorry,
I
I'm
understand.
silent. I got some memes to post.
No, you're fine.
Uh-oh, watch out.
You did take it? Okay, good. Good. Yeah, when that was happening, I was kind of trying to get the stream up and going. I was thinking about just hopping on, but then I was like, I'll wait. Unfortunately, waiting was not the call today. It's not the play. Kind of want a deeper pullback. So how deep was this little, let's see, 693 down to 641?
Oh yes, I love this one. I have a whole library in my own Discord server of memes. And anytime we have some wild movement like this, I gotta spam all of them.
Nice, Phil.
Baby Phil. Besides Phil, is anybody else in a trade? I mean, Sanders has to be in one.
No, he said something to me this morning that he's going to try to be more patient and not feel like he needs to be in a trade all the time. So,
Like it.
or at least not executing where he knows he shouldn't.
Yeah, that's good. This might be one of those areas. Might be, it is.
I mean, it's the first kind of little area of consolidation we've seen all day. So you're either holding a long position at this point or thinking about trying to get in a short.
Yeah.
I
I've
don't think
already.
anybody- I don't think anybody's buying up here.
Yeah, exactly. And I've already attempted the fates with my short, so kind of crossed against the signal there.
Let's see what we got. We got a block at 750.
Dude, I'm reading FTT's customer agreement thing for their SIM accounts, of all of them. This is crazy.
What, fast track trading? Is that
Um,
what you're talking about?
Yeah, race car funding. The customer agrees that the accounts they purchase with the company are simulation, and trading activities on these simulated accounts are similar to a video game. Customer agrees that they do not have any right. Wait. Customer agrees that they do not have any right whatsoever to any real life money, capital, funds, or accounts in any manner.
Wow.
If the customer contests or challenges the company's determination for payouts in any manner, customer agrees to forfeit all simulation balances, simulation profits, payouts pending, or any other rights to their accounts with the company and will be banned from the company's services if you contest the
What?
payout. That's crazy.
That is wild. Why would anybody? Isn't your guy Patrick Wheeland
My
affiliate
guy.
with them now?
My God.
I'm pretty
My
sure he's an
guy.
affiliate with
My
them at
guy
this
is
point.
crazy. Why do you say my
My
guy? I hate that dude. Bro, I hate Patrick. My guy.
Well, that's it. We're going to go on strike after that. I'm
Unionizing.
solidarity.
Oh my
brother.
God.
Solidarity.
I'm taking this up to HR. That was insane. Oh, yeah, he is an affiliate because that's how he makes his money, is affiliate links. The majority of his money. Did I ever send you this? I took a screenshot of one of his comments. Some dude commented on Pat's video or whatever and was like, are you positive on trading? Or like, do you make money with this? And Pat goes, oh my God, hold on. Before I misquote it, I need to find the actual quote.
Yeah, I mean, we are live streaming and the video will be out there, so just make sure you got it right.
Yeah.
Right.
I don't do deep dives on anybody enough for that kind of stuff.
Good. So the comment was, good job. Even if he blew out and juggled hundreds of accounts and paid tens of thousands in resets, he probably still netted 50K, which is more than you can say about anyone else in YouTube land. That's fair. And then Patrick's response was, plus I make millions from prop firm affiliations, so yes, I am net green. He just admitted that he makes,
Wow.
allegedly, millions from prop
Allegedly.
firm affiliations.
Yeah, they do. They make a lot from the affiliates.
Yeah.
I think everybody's right. I think when regulation comes, that's also going to be an issue. I agree.
Yeah, I'll be very interested what happens there.
They're just gonna force people to live accounts, is what it'll end up being. So.
Yeah, but what about your affiliate stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Well, there'll be a limit on accounts that you can have. First and foremost, a much lower limit than 20. But
If you regulate it, I mean, you're going to regulate the ability of people to do. I think maybe make what they were making on the affiliate stuff. I think regulation is going to come around in all of it.
oh yeah, 100%, 100%.
Because it's the Wild West right now, which there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, it is what it is. Buyer beware. But
There'll still be
yeah.
affiliate links and whatnot. They're still going to want to promote through certain traders, certain influencers. But you're right. The money, the contract sizes that you're seeing
yeah,
won't exist.
I just think there'll be some issues there.
Phoenix, I agree. Top Step's going to be fine.
Yeah.
Top Step's fine. They've done it the right way. Like, they've proven it time and time again. They're trustworthy. They're reliable. They'll be fine.
And me talking about that, obviously, I'm not an affiliate with anybody, so I'm talking from complete ignorance about it. But it just when the government comes in to do something, they rarely just not get heavy-handed.
Oh, 100%.
Dave might not be an affiliate, but I'm going to take this chance to say, use my... No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, I'm not
That's awesome.
affiliated with anybody. So,
I was eyeing up the long from 78 quarter, but I didn't get filled. I missed it by 2 ticks, so I took the order off. I don't like the revisit. Yeah, that would have been an instant stop out.
That would have been. I mean, maybe we come back down to 42. I'm not sure.
I'm actually thinking about taking a short here.
Uh-oh.
Might have to sit in it for a minute, but
I'm not touching any of this right now. I've done my... Oh, Mason. 700? Brilliant.
That is a sweet short.
Goose shorted. I didn't-
Goose, you're trading in Q? What is going on right now? What is going on? I thought you were calling it a day, Goose.
Make $1 billion.
We are slowing down as
I
far as
know.
like rotation up goes. We're still holding structure to the upside until we take back that low at 641. But as of right now, it is still pointing up.
Did you get in, Wes, or did you wait?
Nope.
Man,
You'd be able to see it on stream if I was in.
Goose, what did you take your core off at on NQ? Was it 20 points? Or 30?
Man, I'm so I like the short, but I'm scared of the Uber squeeze on a Friday.
this will wreck your. This will wreck you.
20 points? Okay. Thank you. Just curious.
And I'm just not seeing a whole lot of selling up here either. I'd like to see a little more.
Dude, we haven't touched VWAP since 4:17 this morning. It's pretty rowdy.
I know. It's just been up. Up only.
I'm out break even. Oops.
Oops, yeah, Mason.
Why? What? Oops. What's the oops? Yeah.
Oh, there's
What's up,
Nimkins.
Nimkins? Hope you feel better.
Hey, Nams.
Yeah, dude, we're up.
A
I mean,
lot.
200 points in RTH only. Total range is 343.
Texas Roadhouse to the moon. Here we go again.
Oh my gosh. Jess and Jim's brother. Jess and Jim's. Enticing you to get short just to smash your dreams.
I know. Like I'm hovering over it right now.
It's a tough short.
It is.
I personally don't like anything short until we take out 641 and then have some reason or some good area to get short from.
Yeah, you know what? You're right, Palm. I said it before the stream. I'm not going to do this anymore. Yeah, I'm going to
take trades in your areas.
Yeah, I'm not.
Yes,
gonna do
exactly. Just don't FOMO it. Hey, you know, I don't know if you guys get this, you know, with your significant others, but my wife is always comparing me to Zac Efron.
Oh yeah.
Seriously, seriously. She'll say, "You're nothing like Zac Efron."
Yeah, bro, Zac Efron's got nothing on you.
I agree. I agree. Don't post the
Wait,
short
Texas
button.
Roadhouse actually posted great earnings, really?
They should. They're on a wait every night. I mean, pretty lengthy wait. So I would imagine they. Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah, for shorts like sweep 641, come back and revisit either like 661, 680, or 693, where all that volume is, and then get short, I think is okay, personally. We'll see.
I mean, had I hit the short when I said I was going to, I could be up 25 points right now already. But
Oh no! Oh no!
Just saying.
That's right, Phoenix. Zac Efron won't take 25 trades. Got that.
But then I'm just falling into the trap that Dave was falling into earlier. Yep, there's my target. There's my first target. Yep, there's my next target.
Yeah. It's a rough mental game. Like, it's a slide.
There's 30 points.
Yeah. Wow,
There's
look at
40
this thing
points.
go. 42 is key though, or 41-ish. That's key.
Oh, nice, Goose. You held it.
Yeah.
That's sweet.
Oh, Mason. EQ will do that.
I personally would love to see us hold this range, like sweep out the low at 640 or whatever, and then go all the way back to 700. I personally would love to see that. I think that sets up some pretty solid opportunities.
Has Palmetto given the "Please forgive me, Donna, I won't stop loving you" speech yet?
Yeah, we cleared that out.
Talk to that hand.
Nimkins, you're a little late. You're a little late, brother.
Well, this will just chop you right up. Even though you're getting big moves, it's the
GG
moves that will
Goose.
still chop you. Nice job.
Good
Goose.
job.
Oh no, my dom.
All right, we had some buyers step in here around 650. I personally kind of like that. It supports my theory of hold this range. I just would like to see us take the low first. But as long as we're getting more buyers as we trade lower, that looks solid to me.
Chat,
I like
my
it. I
charts
think
are gonna
you
go out for a second.
I think when you look on the 15-minute, that's a good spot to barcode, Palm.
Dave, I don't have a 15-minute chart.
I know. I know. That's why I keep referencing that.
Well, are you all range charts now, Palm?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. All range. Uh-oh. 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 Goes.
I said I like the short. Didn't take it. But I'm okay with that. It's Friday.
By the way, I just want the stream to know I've literally only taken 3 trades on stream.
What? Really? Are
Yep.
you lying?
Hold on. Oh. No, wait a minute. I'm looking. It might be more than that.
It might be. Revise the estimate.
1, 2, 3,
Ah,
4, 5.
hello.
Only 5. Took 5. Only took
Just
5.
for the stream for me joining from my bed.
Oh my goodness, Nimkins chiming in. Chat, say hello to Nimkins.
Is that gonna mess up the
Hello,
cameras or
chat,
no?
hello.
No.
I've
He's
got
fine.
no camera.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah.
Hey man, how you feeling?
Feeling a bit better. I've like got a bruised rib and like a kind of flu thing, but it's like really painful to sort of like I don't know. I keep getting this like sharp pain and like shortness of breath. So I thought
Well,
I
you
should
keep
probably
making
take,
noises like
a-
that down in Wes's basement. He's going to...
Wait, a sharp pain and a bruised rib? Did you like get hit in the rib or something? You might have a cracked rib.
Yeah, but I mean, I didn't get hit in the rib. My cat like launched himself like off something high and like landed on my ribs, and he's kind of large.
Oh yeah,
How big is this cat?
Oh my God.
yeah, man.
I don't know. He's about like
You got-
7 kg or something. But like, it's just like if he lands on a point, it gets pretty heavy. If he just lands on
What
like a
is-
single paw on an area.
What is
You know-
7 kilograms in American?
2.2 pounds per kilo.
Yeah, so it's a 15.5 pound cat. It's a chunky guy.
He's
Feed-
pretty chunky. Yeah.
I mean, I gotta be honest. When I started my life journey many years ago, the last thing that I thought I'd be doing is sitting on a stream, trading futures, listening to somebody's talking about their cat jumping on them and breaking their ribs.
Yeah,
Literally, that was
yeah,
not on my
you might
list.
let it
Yeah. Yeah, Dave, you didn't think you were going to make it out the Great Depression. I don't, well, you know. It's just, you just happen to be here.
Oh, get some action.
Yeah.
Okay, we swept that
There
low.
we go.
That's interesting.
Phoenix says
Um,
you must be explaining the golden level to your cat.
Ah.
Yeah, dude, I saw that. Even his cat has had enough of him. His cat.
Yeah.
Texas Roadhouse. Cat's had enough.
If Dave saw a cat in the Great Depression, he was eating good that night.
Oh my god,
Oh, here we go.
that was a slap.
Oh my.
So
short
now we're
is-
below that low volume, at least tentatively. So interesting to see here whether we actually come back into the range or whether we reject for continuation. That was a lot of
Yep.
sellers.
Me, this
Old
is
me
down.
would have taken the short right here. We'll see if it pays.
I think
Texas
that's
Roadhouse
manipulation
profit
down
taking.
below.
That's what it is.
Yeah. Texas Roadhouse moving the market.
That's correct. That is correct.
I don't know, man. I think this is just what's shake it out to go back up. I think.
I agree, Dave.
See, there we are. The universe
Yeah,
is
from
in
the
harmony.
dude that hasn't opened a chart in like 12 hours.
Hey, okay.
The
I
universe
had a
is in
little,
harmony.
I had a little look. I had a look at all my shares, and everything seemed to be ripping, including Texas Roadhouse. So I
Oh,
was
nice.
like,
Okay, so old me would have gotten stopped, but this is new
Yeah,
me.
I was not trading that. This is manipulation. That was classic manipulation down into the fair value.
It's the fair value cap, he says.
Clearly.
He was
Oh,
waiting
I was
so
waiting
long
all
to get
day.
that one in. Waiting
Waiting
so
all
long to
day.
get that one in.
I did also pop into the Discord and see the ICT meme that
I saw
that Phoenix had made.
All right, so I just saw 116 block on the bid pop up at 60 here. It's hanging out just below us. Just got filled.
Oh, did it get filled?
Yeah.
I saw that
Yeah.
come through.
Then the old me would have jumped on that next candle to go
The
long,
old
but
me.
I stayed out of it.
What's the new you? What's happening?
The old me of an hour ago.
Yeah.
Nimkins,
I was gonna say, yeah,
David
old me
said
was
he's
like
only
yesterday.
taken 3 trades today. Is that 5?
I
Okay.
recounted. Five. I recounted.
Now we got 80 on
Five.
the ask at that same level.
Ooh.
I'm still setting on my hands. I wish. Well, I don't wish anything. I'm just gonna set. Look at that.
Tanner,
What
did
were the
you
levels
get-
I was saying to retrade? Oh, 63 was one of them for a potential short. We just like barely traded it or just missed it by a tick, I think.
63.75
After-
is where we got it.
After taking that low, looking at like 360-ish, next level above that was 380. Sorry, 380, 680 for a rejection. And then 692 was like a last stop if we were going to trade lower. But it looks like we might be rejecting the 3. I keep saying 3. 663.
So, according to your IB data, Palm,
Oh, God. Yeah.
I mean, we're going away. from it.
because IBH was set first,
Second.
what are the chances that IBL?
IBH currently has a 70% chance of getting hit first. IBL has a 30% chance.
Okay.
No, but you got to account for the inside days. Isn't there like a 3% chance it's an inside day?
Oh, that
IBH.
neither IB
Yeah.
gets traded?
Yeah.
Yeah, the actual stat is like 68 or 16. Like the inside day, the neither gets broken is either 2 or 3% or 2.5
Okay.
maybe.
Okay.
I just technically, yeah, you're right. It's like a 68% chance that IBH gets broken. Yeah,
Because
that's fair.
It was
Good
set
shout.
second. Because IBL was set first.
Yeah, IBH was set second, so IBH is
Okay,
like
yeah,
68% chance or whatever it is.
Right.
Right.
And Wesley,
Uh-huh.
you've been asking for us to get out of this range for weeks now.
100%.
Okay.
How's
You-
it work?
About 500.
You know how you can show thanks.
I swear, if you say anything about Texas Roadhouse right now, Nimkins.
Just take yourself for a little steak dinner tonight. All right.
You know, you're talking about not feeling good and a rib sore. I was in Antwerp, and I love mussels. We all at the table got basically the same order. Got mussels there, and I got one bad one. You can't tell, obviously,
No.
until later that night. Oh my gosh, I literally thought I broke a rib. It was so violent. I
Yeah,
had
that's rough. That's rough.
Jesus.
It was
Tenor, I couldn't add at 170 last night because I'm a retail investor. Like, I'm not allowed to add at that time.
Just make more money, bro. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah. No, I couldn't see the earnings, and I was panicking. It went up like 185, and then went down to 170. I didn't know what was going on. I thought there was tragedy.
Phoenix.
so good.
Wes talks every night to himself before bed, convincing him not to kick Nims the next day. No, today was Nim's personal decision. He took some PTO.
This This is no man's land right here, isn't it?
Yeah. At this point, it is for me.
Ish.
Uh,
I'm still interested if Delta holds up and we sweep this low, or come into this low at 40 half with Delta looking okay. I would take that long personally. Like
I
I'm
think
actively
we're going
looking
higher.
at. I don't
I
know
think
if we
we're-
actually
you think
get
we're
the
going
sweep,
higher?
though.
Yeah, well, I think we're going to go like the 2800s at least today.
2800s, 20,800. You mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. What, do you disagree?
No. Not
I'm
at
gonna
all.
ask
20,000.
I can see it really.
28,000.
Is anybody in a trade? I know Goose had a nice short there, but I mean,
I'm waiting for you, Dave. You're meant to be in the trades.
Hey, dude, I already took.
And Joel, y'all ever heard of 20,490 Palm? You're not. That's gonna be all day, brother. It's going to be all day.
Oh, I hate
I hope
500.
take it.
Hate
Honestly,
500.
that'd be so sick if we went back and took it, just so I can be vindicated.
I hate 500. Don't do it.
Wait, what happened at 490?
We opened around like 490-ish or something, and at 491, there's this massive block of volume that went off, and we just ripped out of it. And it's just wild to me that we left it behind and never retraded it. That's all. Like, there's just a massive ledge down there that I think will get repaired at some point.
Have you been trying to short back down to there?
No, I'm chilling.
No, okay. Okay.
It was more so just like one of those things you see and you're like, there's no way that happens, right? And then it happened.
Well, guys, I got about 5 minutes. I'm starting to hear a lot of bangs.
What's going on? Do people come around
This
to build
hit,
your adult Lego?
Yeah, didn't I told you, Nims, right? Like when they were moving the fridge back in after they got the floors done from the renovation, from the flood renovation. The kids that were moving the fridge back in decided to not put any like cardboard or anything down, and decided to do 360s on the brand new hardwoods with the fridge.
Oh, God.
And they gouged the new hardwood floors, so they're
Nice.
repairing that
Beautiful.
section of the flooring right now.
Okay.
Okay, so
That
we
doesn't sound good.
bounced. We rejected off of one of Albu's levels, right, at the strong resistance, and we're in between another main resistance level at 6.
I still like the downside right here. I want to see it back into 600, 580, maybe even at least.
We're in between, basically.
But we also
And
could
did
be
not
setting
put
up an area of
floor.
consolidation here between 640 and we'll say what, 680?
That's what I'm leaning towards. I personally like that idea a lot, actually.
Mm-hmm.
I'd say up to like 700 would be the range I'd be looking at.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit higher.
When does stuff start getting spicy before the election?
have no
I
clue,
thought it
man.
has already. What are you talking
do you mean?
about?
All right, so that buy that I was looking at would be paying right now. I didn't take it because Delta there's no active, at least not until right now, there was no active aggressive buying. Now it's starting to step in. But I wanted to see some sort of like aggressive defense of that level, and I just didn't see it, so I didn't take it. But paying. Honestly, might be the low of the range, and we're just going to rip back to 700 right now. I could absolutely see that happening. Oh, well.
I'll go 2 minis in on that. No, I'm kidding. Although YM's going down, YM's heading down, so maybe the NQ is going to go up now.
Yeah, I was asking Goose the other day on stream if he noticed an inverse correlation between the two, and he said they're just not correlated at all.
Yeah. You know, in ICT language, that would be known as the weak
Oh,
sister.
God.
From the,
The what?
From the smart money divergence. One of them. would
Wait,
be
it would be known as the what?
weak sister.
A wild
That's
goose appears.
weird.
And you guys got to catch up on this, man. You got to get on the lingo train.
It's a wild gander up here. as we used to say.
Yeah, Nimkins. We didn't know that. We didn't know.
Yep, there you go. See, it's
He
like
didn't know it
Beetlejuice,
either.
AYM.
No, his wife's a goose.
His wife is a goose, and he's
yeah,
a gander.
he's a gander.
Okay.
Yeah,
He's a
correct.
gander,
Yeah.
They're called
It's a
SMT
deep-
divergences.
it's got it.
Yeah, here we go.
Smart money technique diver. That maybe.
Oh god.
I love
Here
it.
we go.
That's too funny. Yeah, now your Discord and stream are gonna get rated. And people are gonna start correcting me.
How apart from Dave's 5 trades, has anyone else taken trades?
I took one.
Winner?
Yes. I'm up
Yeah.
like 20, 25 points.
Yeah, and I'm at
Nice.
25 points as well.
I'm still waiting on more though. Minkins, I need more.
Okay. What is this? Do you need more because something bad happened another day?
No, well, yes. I need 1,500 exactly. 1,500 on the
Oh,
dot.
okay. I know when you need 1,500. It was
Yeah.
the desperation to pass the XFA quickly.
Yep.
That's when I
Alright.
get wrecked.
I'm actually. I know I said
Texas
it's gonna be
Roadhouse.
short, but I'm actually gonna try
Texas
a long one
Roadhouse. Texas
I
Roadhouse.
like it.
just to get a trade
I like
in.
it.
Where are you long from? Just to get a trade in. What?
65.
I mean, what is that?
Oh, it's a
65.
combine.
It's
Oh, okay.
just to get a trade in.
Oh, it's a combine, bro. Triple your size.
Yeah,
I'm
so-
kidding.
Triple my size.
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Don't you know what gets views and clicks, or whatever you kids say today?
If we do revisit 40 though, triple your size.
Triple my size. Well, my stop's at 49, so I'm hoping we don't revisit 40.
I don't know if I like that.
No, 49 should be the first ad, and the second ad at 40.
Oh, Brian, you did? Hold on. I have to live vicariously through Brian because I'm not allowed
Yeah?
to trade size anymore. Yeah.
Whoa, 6
Wait, why are you
contracts
allowed
short,
outside? Have I missed
all
something?
out.
Whoa.
Did some accounts
4.5
go wrong?
grand.
GG, Brian. Damn. Brian, is that back-to-back 4 grand days? That's pretty sick.
All right, starting to
Wow.
see some aggressive selling coming in here. I'll try to hang in for a minute.
Love it.
Let's go. I can react to Donna's comments now.
Oh, it was all settled. Okay. I can't
Yeah,
believe I
we're
missed
good.
that. Yeah. There was a lot of begging going on yesterday.
All right, this is coming back on me.
Brian, that's an awesome trade. Thanks. It was scaled out, motive wave averages. Probably the first time. Nice, dude.
Nice.
So good job.
Nice. Yeah, this is a chop zone, man.
Yeah,
So this is
I
what I'm
wanted
saying.
to see a stronger push back through. Wanted to see 680 at least, but I just don't know if we're going to see it. I think
I
it
don't
needs to
know,
pull
man.
back a little bit further first, which is fine.
Yeah, it's just gonna chop you up if you get in here.
Nice job, Joel. 19%. That's awesome. So, oh yeah, made it all back on M&Q, as one should.
Just looking at this book, Colin, he's not that large, okay? He's not that size. He's a little bit chunky. I generally think it's just a lot of fluff.
Oh my gosh, Nims.
Should have added, Wes. Should have added.
Nah, I'm okay. I'm still
Yeah,
at it.
this
I'm only
thing,
down
I
like
don't
$60 on the position right now.
Chop zone.
Yeah.
Chop zone. Yeah, this is ugly. It's got to break through one area or the other.
Yeah, we got a bless emoji now.
We've got new emojis.
Well, I do.
Ah.
My signature artist, my emoji artist, has been working all night and day.
Your
making just
emoji
one
artist.
You're an emoji artist.
Yep.
Yes.
Maybe I'll send it. in
You've
main
been
chat.
making him. You commission him for a please forgive me emoji. Keep putting in the chat.
Love that. I love that.
I think I maxed out my requests actually. There's been 2 new ones in 2 days. It's a high rate. It's gonna need like a 3-week cooldown. Oh my god, what is this cat?
That's not my cat, all right? Okay.
Is he larger or smaller? Because this dude is a meatball.
Oh, he's smaller than that, right?
Okay, cool.
That's like he goes to like a top of a wardrobe, and then when he hears people move in the morning and he thinks he's ready to go and get breakfast, he just like flies off the top of the wardrobe and just like lands on my wrist.
That's too funny. That is too funny. Oh, come on, go. You can do it for Wes. Do it for Wes.
Yeah.
Do it for Wes.
I mean, like you said, it's a chop zone.
It's a chop zone.
Where you up currently? $70?
Not even.
That's
like
a meal. For...
25, 20.
Still get a good meal at Texas Roadhouse for that.
Oh my god. Do it for Wes.
All right, I'm going break even. I don't want to get back in this chop zone. I either want it to go right now or take me out.
Gonna take you out, brother.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm fine with it.
Take you out, then go. Yeah, that's normally the routine.
I'm fine with it.
You can do it. Yeah, I see. It's gonna just.
I'm out.
Yeah, maybe not. Oh, did it? Oh.
Yeah. It grabbed me.
Popped out.
All right, guys. Well, I hate to cut it short, but I got to roll.
Yeah, no worries, dude.
I got to go deal
All right,
with this flooring, guys. Thanks for coming on, fellas. Nimkins, thanks for joining. A little late.
Yeah. I mean, I thought I'd check in on you all.
Next week you'll be back.
Yeah, thanks
it's all
for-
good.
Thanks for letting us know you're still alive.
Yeah, 100. Yeah. Guys, I will be hanging out in Discord a little bit later today. Feel free to pop over and say hello. If you aren't a member of Level Up Discord yet, there is a free link in the description. Once again, down below this video. If you haven't subscribed to Goose's YouTube channel, subscribe to that channel as well. DJP, Palm, you got anything to say to the chat?
No, other than thanks for a good stream. It's a fun time.
Yeah, enjoyed it.
Yeah, nothing else, man.
I see. I'm not allowed to say anything to the chat.
No,
Alright,
Nimkins,
how it is.
Nimkins, you're not allowed.
Nope.
All right, Nimkins, what do you want to say?
No, that's fine. It's
No,
fine.
no. You cried about it. Let's go.
If you're looking for an investment, there's a great Texas Roadhouse.
Can't take it.
It might seem overvalued at the moment, but after the earnings, it's going to be moonshotting. So just load up. One of the Discord members loaded up yesterday, and I'm sure he's really pleased. I haven't spoken to Scott yet, but I will.
All right.
All right, guys. Well, we'll be back next Friday with Trading with the Boys. Same usual suspects, more than likely. Providing Nimkins is not scared to show his face.
Love
it. Enjoy your weekend, fellas. And chat, enjoy your weekend. Trade safe out there. Stay patient. We'll see you next week. Peace.
Yeah.